Hello everyone. 7th standard? It is my pleasure to teach this class. I'm talking about the whole class. What I really like about this class is everybody not a trained dancer, not even a good dancer, but everybody is sincere, talented, obedient, taking my each word seriously. They always come with practice. Not only that, they have always helped their friends if anyone find any difficulties while learning the steps. I'm teaching this class from last 2 years and I have seen their improvement. Talking about 7th C, they have done a dance shoot, what I call as a dark expression dance. They have arranged yellow light in dark, and that complete 4 minutes they have done what I exactly want them to do, and it is so impressive. Thank you so much, girls. No doubt they are very obedient, so I just want to give some tips so that they can improve more. When you are learning a performing art, the most important thing is learning. So when you are learning, you are basing your technique on observation. You are observe something, you absorb it and keep it in your system. Now, in order to then relay it or to do so, you need to practice. Performing art is very momentary. It's something that happens. It's like a verb, right? So it's not a piece of painting that you can take home. The process of dance is what you get in return. So if you have done your riyaz or practice, you know how to handle the situation. Your muscle memory of your brain and your body is going to support you. If you have done your riyaz, once you have control on what your content is going to be, will help you to involve others. So I'd strongly suggest to do your practice on a regular basis. Take out at least half an hour for riyaz. Dedicate your time towards the art form. Now, I request all parents to encourage your child to learn whatever art form they want to learn, but learn first. Once they start learning properly, then only they can do their own production. Girls always comes to show me their own choreography, which is really nice. I thoroughly enjoy see them. But if you learn it, you will know the technical part of that. You could have been choreograph it more technically. YouTube cannot teach you everything. It can only show some ideas. It can only give you some ideas, but cannot teach the technical part. So to do it technically, you have to go through a proper learning process. When you learn it in a systematic order, it improves your own technique and your presentation skills. So at the end, I would like to say a shloka which I believe most of you know. Yato hasta tato drishti, yato drishti tato manha, yato manha tato bhava, yato bhava tato rasa. Where there is movement, there is I. Where there is I, that is where your heart is. When your heart or your involvement is there, you actually create the things. And that's the magic of art, the rasa. So keep practice, keep create the magic. Thank you so much.